Okay, I have a 2013 ZL1 Camaro. It's been fun, but it is dark in the interior. Give you a little look-see, because I just love this car. Anyway, I wanted to put interior lighting kit in. I got it from Amazon. It's like 45 bucks. Looks like a pretty good kit. Got really good reviews. And the kit is the Aura light kit. Op 7. It comes with all the wiring so you can put it where you want it. Zip ties. It's got 4 strips. I think there's a kit that has 6. It's got the control, so you can get a little stanchion so you can zip tie it to where you want it. And minimal directions. There's the control. You can obviously plug it in through the cigarette lighter, but that's lame. We're not going to do that. So I want to go through the door assist, which I looked online and I couldn't find anything, but you know, I just started pulling breakers to see which one actually controls the dome light. And it's this one right here. So if I pull that out, you can see the slot. The dome light just came off, but it's the 4th one. You got a spare, and then there's 2 down. That's obviously the 4th one right next to this, which is, that's the driver's seat. So actually this is F25, the BCM, whatever BCM stands for, courtesy, I don't know. But it's basically the courtesy light for the interior. So I plug that back in, and then my dome light came on. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to start from there. Obviously this is the power wire running off of it, and that will go into my light kit. And then what I was going to do is ground it. There's a good ground right here. Just shine some light in there. This right here, right next to it. That'll be a perfect ground, so there it is. So we'll start there, and then we'll start wiring through here. Go through the footwells, and then for the back, the rear interior, I don't know if I'm going to go through this console or through the side jam here, but we'll find out. I'll let you know. Bye.